Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading Pirate Stew by Neil Gaiman and Chris Riddell. Please enjoy. Pirate Stew. Pirate stew, pirate stew, pirate stew for me and you. The night my mom and dad went out, I said I won't be babysat. They said, you must not grumpy and pout. You're going out, and that is that. We planned a quiet, exciting night. At first, we'll dine by candlelight, then watch a most instructive show in which we'll learn how flowers grow. You have no promise to behave. Then from the hell there came a pitter thump. You know, you both be brave. Say hello to your babysitter.
95% of women have visibly better skin. My skin is so much more moisturized. See the difference with Aloud.
His hair was gray. His face was scary.
I can't tell you what to do.
Right leg a peg, right hand a hook. He grinned a grin and said, my card is red. Long John McRyan, ship's cook. My mom and dad said, time to run. Mr. McRyan is going to feed you. Long John said, mateys, you have fun. And we will call you if I need you. Which will not. So off they zoomed. My sister whispered, we are doomed. My parents had not been gone long when someone knocked at the door, and two cracked voices raised in song. We're joined by several voices more. Door was open. In they came, a pirate crew. They were not tamed. Now, one was fat, and one was thin, and one had a hanky on her head. One played upon the violin, 15 bad man upon a dead man's chest, a such like pirate ditties. My sister said, excuse me, when is dinner? Coming soon, my pretties, replied a pirate queen. So then the pirate headed to the fridge. And glazed inside with puzzled looks. Some of the pirates scratched their heads. Some of the pirates sucked their hooks. It's different to choose, said one. Impossible, began another. We'll have to feed them. Long John said, I told their father and their mother, we pirates always keep our words. At each pirate nodded head, and so they thoughtful conferred beans on toast. No beans, no bread, no scrambled eggs to complaint. Spaghetti, looks like worms, said one. Long John thought. He hesitated. He said, no, me hearties, this is true. We ought to do what pirates do. We ought to make pirate stew.
I think that sometimes you get to Bloom is really an American trailblazer. Yeah, he's been writing for over 40 years. He created these novels at adolescents. He really began to understand their audience, how to
Long John produced an ancient pot. He then produced a wooden spoon. We will serve it piping hot underneath a pirate's moon. He beat his spoon against the pan, and with one voice they all began shouting out joyful, now we're back home from the sea. Pirate stew, pirate stew, pirate stew for me and you. Pirate stew, eat it and you won't be blue. You could be a pirate too. Start with onions, start with the carrots. Add the seeds and that feeds the parrots. Pulverize with heavy pestos. Leeks are good except in vessels. Add a future head to Carvey and some limes to weird off scurvy. Half a dozen silver spoons. Half a sack of golden doubloons. That stew that you'll get rich in. Here they danced about the kitchen. Add a haddock, fat or thin. Slice the main brace, drop it in. Tumble in the smorgasbord. Stir it with the pirate's sword. Season it with mermaid's tears. Sing the band of buccaneers. Cannonball and red banana. Pineapples and brown bananas. Locks from Davy Jones' locker. Blood and thinners. Shivering shockers. Add slice of plank for walking. And some extra oars for talking. All the seashells she sells surely. Pop the lid on most securely. Cook it in the treasure chest. Stir it till it tastes the best. Serve it, eat it, then digest. Finally, another ancient cotter said, I got a Jolly Roger. He threw that in as well. Then they rang the dinner bell. Pirate stew, pirate stew, pirate stew for me and you. Pirate stew, eat it and you won't be blue. You'll become a pirate too. But my sister said to me, if you eat that pirate stew, that you'll be what you said you'll be. You'll become a pirate too. So we left our bowls of stew quite unnoticed by the crew. Much too busy chowing down now, they cried, we'll go to town. For the house became piratic Sails bowed from the attic. All the pirates called, "Ahoy! Raise the anchor, boy and girl!" We went into the garden, hauled the anchor off the railing. As the moon above the yard rim, our yard arm called the pirates, "Let's go sailing." They sailed that house above the town. They sailed it left, they sailed it right, they sailed it up, they sailed it down, they sailed it right into the night. They sailed our townhouse down the road. Old free boosters never stopped, sang the pirates. Then they spotted Sally's little donut shop. "I'm closing for the night," Sally told them, but the crew shouted, "We are pirates, right here to do what pirates do. Hand over your donuts, hearties. We will have a donut party." She said, "They're this morning donuts, slightly stale. No need to shout. Would you like to take one? Eat them. Otherwise, they'll throw them out." All the pirates cheered so loudly, threw their hats in the air, paid a golden coin, stating proudly, "Pirates always pay their share."
What if I skip conditions and for in the shower? In the shower, I was introducing to you the body wash, brand cocoa, hyperreactive, and dry crack skin. Dermatologist approved ingredients.
Donuts jammy, donuts creamy, donuts chocolate, donuts pale, donuts yummy, donuts dreamy, donuts only slightly stale. Me and sister gobbled up a lot of donuts for our supper. Then we dropped the pirate crew beside the saucy treasure chest where pirates glazed rum and do whatever pirates do the best. And as Long John steered us homeward, buccaneers called, "Tally pit, tit, pit." Soon we anchored in the garden, in our house, our home, our ship.
Okay, so here we go, ready? The first question. In 10 days, our show is hitting the road. Where are we going? Is it A, London, B, New Orleans, or C, Austin?
Parents tiptoed into the kitchen as sitting on the kitchen tiles. We were terrified they grounded us. Not this time. They were all smiles. Long John told us that as kids go, you're the cream of any crop. And then they spiced 2 dinner bowls on touch upon the countertop. My mom said, "Gosh, that smells like stew." And we both still perkish here. We told them, "No, they ain't for you. They're more or less a souvenir." "What luck," cried Mom. "Oh, good," said Dad. "A late night snack is what we need. Our meal tonight was very bad." "Let's snack," said Dad. Said Mom, "Let's feed." We yelled, "That's what you must not do. Too late." As one, they spoon and scuffled. Yum yum, they said. It's scrumptious stew. Now, hoist the pirate flag afloat. And that is why, since then, we had a pirate mum and pirate dad. Pirate stew, pirate stew, pirate stew for me and you. Well, have any of you ever met a pirate before? Or have you ever had a pirate babysit for you? Let me know with a thumbs up. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other readings I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and take care, everybody, and thanks for watching.